एडीपी स्टडी पॉइंट। आज हम क्लास 12th इंग्लिश का अ थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी की पोयम के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम वेयर हैज दिस पोयम अ थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी बीन टेकन? एंडीमियन, अ पोएटिक रोमांस, और टू अ नाइटिंगेल, और ऑन melancholy, or on indolence. So your correct answer is option A, Endymion, a poetic romance. Next question is, who is Endymion? A worker, an office boy, a young child, a young shepherd. So your correct answer is a young shepherd. Next question is, where did the poet and Endymion live? In a hut, on a hill, in a tree house, on a Mount Letmos. So your correct answer is on a Mount Letmos. Next question is, whom did the enchanted youth resolve to seek? God, nature, Barbie, or Cynthia? So your correct answer is goddess moon, Cynthia. Next question is, what are the things of beauty mentioned in the poem? Sun and moon, young trees and streams, flowers, all of these. So your correct answer is all of these. Next question is, which thing causes suffering to human beings? Lack of virtues and inhuman acts, withering flowers, blooming flowers, flowing streams. So your correct answer is option A, lack of virtues and inhuman acts. Next question is, what does Endymion do to seek the goddess? Dances, sings song, reads scriptures, wanders through the forest. So your correct answer is option D, wanders through the forest. Next question is, how is a thing of beauty a joy forever? Because it is beautiful, because it is nature, because it is joyful, because its beauty never ends and leaves a lasting impact. So your correct answer is option D, because its beauty never ends and leaves a lasting impact. Next question is, what is beauty in Keats' opinion? Ugly, a cause of suffering, a cause of pain, a joy forever. So your correct answer is option D, a joy forever. Next question is, how does a thing of beauty provide shelter and comfort? By giving sense of joy and happiness, by removing pain and suffering, like a bower, all of these. So your correct answer is all of these. Next question is, whose loveliness will keep on increasing? Of rivers, of mountains, of nature, of all the things. So your correct answer is of all the beautiful things. Now next question is, write the phrase which means it is immortal. It will never fade off. It will never pass into nothingness. It will never continue. It will keep giving sadness for a longer time. So your correct answer is option A, it will never fade off. Next question is, what is a bower? A river, a stream, a rose flower, or a shady tree? So your correct answer is a shady tree. Next question is, why do we need sweet dreams, health, and quiet breathing? To have a healthy mind and body, to have sound sleep, to have peace and happiness, or all of these? So your correct answer is option D, all of these. Next question is, what are mighty dead in the poem? Dead people, dead relatives, dead plants, or brave warriors? So your correct answer is option D, brave warriors. Next question is, what is endless fountain of immortal drink? River, flowing stream, sunlight, all the things of beauty. So your correct answer is option D is correct, all the things of beauty. Now next question is, what does spring mean? Rooftop, a rocky space, mountain top, or an edge at the top? So the correct answer is an edge at the top. Next question is, what does immortal mean? Ever flowing, evergreen, forever beautiful, never ending, or endless? So the correct answer is option D, never ending or endless. Next question is, what image does the poet use to convey that beauty is everlasting? A bower quiet for us, some shape of beauty, endless fountain of joy sprouting a shady boon. So the correct answer is, so here option C is correct. Endless fountain of joy. Next question is, pick up the word from the poem which means stories and magnificence, tales and grandeur, old and young, green world and clear rills, sweet dreams and health. So your correct answer is tales and grandeur. Next question is, what is the meaning of gloomy? All the unhealthy things, dark spirit, dull and depressive, none. So your correct answer is option C, dull and depressive. Next question is, how does beauty help us when we are grief stricken? By giving a ray of hope, sprouting a shady boon, by giving daffodils, none of these. So your correct answer is option A, by giving a ray of hope. Next question is, what does the poet mean by some shape of beauty? Beauty has no shape, beauty is intangible. There are several things of beauty, all of these. So your correct answer is option C. There are several things of beauty. Next question is, which is the green world in which the daffodil live? Stem and leaves, forest, green leafy vegetable, or trees? So your correct answer is option B, forest. Next question is, what is inhuman in life? Human inside a river, human inside caves, humans on trees, cruel and harsh society. So your correct answer is option D, cruel and harsh society. Next question is, clear rills are the clean windows, streams of clear water, clear thoughts, or clear solutions. So your correct answer is option B, streams of clear water. Next question is, who is the poet of the poem The Thing of Beauty? Kamala Das, Robert Frost, John Keats, or Pablo Neruda? So your correct answer is option C, John Keats. For more such videos, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.